To speed up installation, loosen the clamp bolts and slide the clamp over the hose. Insert the shank into the hose. Reference Step 9 of Procedure 1100, General Preparation Instructions. Place the stem in the vise. For female stems, as shown here, place a spud in the vise, tighten the vise on the spud, then thread the wing nut onto the spud. For male stems, tighten the vise on the hex. Position the clamp gripping fingers so they are just behind the stem collar. Tighten the bolts by hand so there is equal thread showing past both nuts. Do not lubricate the bolts. All torque values are based upon dry bolts. Lubricating the bolts will adversely affect clamp performance. Set the torque wrench to the recommended torque value for the clamp being installed. These values can be found in the current Dixon catalog. Begin by tightening the nut facing up, 1 full turn, or as shown here, 4 quarter turns. Tighten the opposite side nut 1 full turn, or 4 quarter turns. Repeat the process of alternating between bolts until both bolts have been tightened to the recommended torque value. The bolts are designed to bend during the tightening process. This allows the clamp to conform to the hose circumference. Periodic bolt retightening is necessary due to cold flow. Boss clamps are for a single use. Once removed, all parts of the clamp, including nuts and bolts, are to be discarded. When both bolts have been tightened to the recommended torque value, remove the assembly from the vise. Inspect the results in accordance with Procedure 3000, criteria for sufficient fit of a Boss clamp.
Dixon, the right connection.